Hi guys, and welcome back to Red Redemption. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mofajang Hair Paint material, I think it is. I don't know, hair paint, hair wax, it all kind of goes under the same umbrella. As you can tell, my hair is very purple right now, and that's because this past weekend I went to a Halloween party and cosplayed as Raven, and there are going to be pictures coming up now of me and my boyfriend. It was a lot of fun. The costumes were a lot of fun to make, but I didn't want my hair to be purple, like to permanently dye my hair for one costume, and I did some research and I found this hair paint and was interested in the temporariness of it. And before I did my entire head for the costume, I tested a little bit out on a couple in the back and wore it for about a week, and it was really happy with it. I put it on my entire head, and here's a picture of it the night that I put it on. Looked great. Thing is, I live in a very wet place, especially in the season that we're in right now, so obviously you can see my natural hair color poking through, which I don't really mind, but I don't think that I would use this again for like whole head coverage unless I was doing another costume. Although I will definitely use it if I want to add like a pop of color, just to like switch things up. One of the biggest things that I noticed is when I put it on my roots, it's made my scalp feel very strange the past couple days, and that's probably because I've literally put no product other than an ACV rinse and my shampoo on my hair, or my scalp. So that's probably just my scalp not being used to like any sort of product. Being able to have my hair purple for this costume, I think, added just that little extra oomph that it needed, and I'm satisfied. Disclaimer, I was not paid by this company to do a review. I'm just a customer who bought the product and want to share my experience with you guys. So let me know what you guys think. If you are following my Instagram, you've probably seen these pictures before. If not, it will be linked down in the description. If you like this video, give it a like, and if this is your first time here or you just simply haven't subscribed yet, come on. I don't bite, really.